Hi guys, welcome to Pivotal Traders. Let's discuss an interesting index which will be introduced to us from 11th of January, open to trading with weekly expiry, with monthly expiry. Lot many actions would be there, and it would be turning out to be a brother of Bank Nifty, but with a pinch of insurance and NBFCs into its account. And first, let's start with comparing it to the Bank Nifty on weekly chart. As you can see here, since the last fall, since the last market crash, you can see that Nifty Fin has regained its momentum, and it has overshot from that level. On the other hand, Bank Nifty hasn't yet made its point to even attain that level, and still struggling to make a newer high. uh, and that's what tells us the story that bank stock particularly are not doing well, but on the other hand, the insurance companies and NBFCs are doing much better than them. So it will give us an edge, it will give us a spread out where we can spread our price movement, and we can have a controlled volatility in the index and have a much more confidence to trade in. So let's now look at the components of Nifty Fin, what all are there. First of all, we have Axis Bank in it. Then we have three stocks of Bajaj Finance Group, Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj Holdings. Now, Bajaj Finserv is the parent company of Bajaj Finance. We should be ready to see some kind of correlation between these three stocks among the in the index. And also we have HDFC Group on the other hand. Some correlation would happen here, which can make the movement in the index interdependent. And similarly is for the ICICI Group and then the SBI Group, having two stocks. So you can see that the large correlation will be there in the movement, which also gives us a sense that more stability would be there in the movement of this index. And if at all it moves, it will be a genuine move, because there are a lot many plus and minuses, which makes this index very interesting. And let's also look at the returns, average returns of the components in the last 3 years. So you can see the range of the returns for starting from Bajaj Finance, topping the chart with 180% return in the last 3 years, and the most negative one, Mahindra Finance, minus 60%. So you can see the range is also wide, minus 60% to 180%. So we have a lot of mobility to be made in the index itself, which makes this a very interesting case for us. So now also look at the technicals of the Nifty Fin and what can be expected in its movement for the coming week. So let's just zoom in. Okay, so this is the weekly time frame. You can see that it has overshot the movement since the last fall by how many? By almost 7.2%, which is, you can see that it has already surpassed the level of Bank Nifty. And if you don't like the kind of volatility in the Nifty, if this index was there, then we would have been much happier, because we would be having a confidence in to trade, and this captures the genuinity of the movement. Now if we go on to analyze on 1 hour chart and see what all things have happened, you can see some kind of confusing state is being maintained by the index, and it is being trading in a very narrow range. You can see, if you can avoid the outliers, you can see a very narrow range has been formed by the index, and a breakout on the either side is to be expected. But let's see what can be the support point, because it has already surpassed the high level. So we should be looking for a support price, which will be more important for us. So what I see from here is that it made, let me take the pointer. Okay, it made a swing over here, then it tried to fall down. But when it did that, it created a strong reaction candle here. Look at the reaction here. It created a strong reaction candle, then it formed a kind of bearish candle here, then again a bullish candle. So you can see this this candle defeated both the preceding two candles, and the gap up opening which was filled by this candle, then it continued upside. It sensed that this support line becomes very important for us. So this support line is what I will be looking for the Nifty fin to take at. And if we move to 30 minutes time frame and do a multiple time frame analysis kind of thing, then we can see here, very strong candle, very strong candle. These two candles are very strong, and we would be witnessing that if Bank Nifty breaks this level, it will be trending very high. And if not, if it breaks it on the downside, then this support line would be there. But on the 30 minutes time frame, we can also see that this price had a strong reaction. So this also becomes an important point for us as in support. So that's what we can expect, that the Bank Nifty, if it goes downside, it can take support, or it can go or even lower and take support here. Then it can continue its movement on the upside, or it can break the range and then take it from there like that. So let's see what happens on Monday. I will be looking at the chart of the Nifty fin on Monday. I will be analyzing the kind of movement. Then we'll be sharing the idea on Telegram and also on TradingView. You can follow me over there, and also on Twitter, and I'll let you know and update more about it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.